Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Hope you're all doing well and doing great. Today we are back with another video and we're going to talk about unit enzymes. And in enzymes, we are going to study about what are the catalyst, what is enzyme, and how enzyme action with reference to the substrate, active site, and enzyme substrate complex and product. All these things we are going to discuss in this video. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. The first thing first, we need to understand what is a catalyst. Catalyst is any chemical substance which speed up the rate of reaction without being used up. That means, let's suppose you are making something in the lab or you are doing some sort of chemical reaction in the lab and you will combine two things and making a new substance. That two things that are going to react with each other are basically called as the reactant in a chemical equation, and the new substance that is formed in those reaction is called as the product. In this reaction, in that particular reaction is called as the product. So if you wanted to speed up that reaction, that this will give you the quick result, then you will add a catalyst. Otherwise it will take a lot of time to complete the process. So same is the case with our body, that there are different reactions in our body are going on, and we use a particular term for this, and we're going to say that this is the metabolism is basically the sum of all chemical reaction that is taking place in our body. And we can classify metabolism into two forms. One is called as the anabolism and one is called as the catabolism. When we say that the smaller molecules combine to form a large molecule, if is called as the anabolism, and whereas when the larger molecules break down to form smaller molecules, they are called as the catabolism. We can encode an example in the anabolism in case of photosynthesis, whereas in the case of catabolism, we can code an example of respiration. So on behalf of this equation, you can understand that photosynthesis के अंदर आप देखते हैं that you use a particular enzyme. We can say that it's work like a catalyst, without the absence of sunlight or without the presence of sunlight and without the presence of chlorophyll, the plant cannot perform the process of photosynthesis, and there the chlorophyll and sunlight is working as a catalyst, is working as an enzyme. So hopefully you understand that. Let me show you through the equation that we have previously discussed. Here you go. Like the carbon dioxide combined with the water in the presence of light and in the presence of chlorophyll. So without the light or without chlorophyll pigment, plant cannot use or plant cannot perform the process of photosynthesis. So here the light and the chlorophyll is working as an enzyme or working as a catalyst, and they are not being used up. They just convert this form into this form. They make glucose. Here is no light, here is no chlorophyll. Here you can see that there is no light, there is no chlorophyll. So that means that they are used to process this. They are not used to make, they are not present in the product form as well. You cannot see the oxygen plus chlorophyll or glucose plus chlorophyll or glucose plus light. So there is no glucose, or there is no chlorophyll and there is no light in this product form. So these are basically working as a catalyst or working as an enzyme over here. So what's the difference between an enzyme and a catalyst? When I say the catalyst, the catalyst mean that it speed up the rate of the reaction, or it's without being used up, it does not use itself. ये खुद यूज नहीं होता है, बल्कि सिर्फ ये रिएक्शन को स्पीड अप करवाता है, और इसके होने से रिएक्शन जो है वो स्पीडली होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल, लेट मी गिव यू अनदर एग्जांपल. लाइक इफ आई से दैट देयर आर द टू थिंग्स दैट A plus B forms another new substance and it will form a product which is called as a C. So this needs some sort of energy, or this needs something to do its reaction quickly, to perform the reaction quickly. So it will convert with the use of a catalyst, with the help of a catalyst. जैसे आप केमिस्ट्री लैब के अंदर या केमिकल रिएक्शन परफॉर्म करते वक्त कोई ना कोई ऐसी चीज ऐड करते हैं जो उस रिएक्शन को स्पीड अप कर देता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर आपने टेस्ट करना है स्टार्च को, तो स्टार्च टेस्ट करने के लिए आप सडनली जो रिएक्शन चाहते हैं कि क्विकली आपके पास रिजल्ट आ जाए और आपको पता चल जाए कि कैसे जो है इसके अंदर स्टार्च मौजूद है या नहीं, तो फॉर दैट पर्पस यू जस्ट यूज एन आयोडीन सोल्यूशन. इफ यू डू नॉट यूज एन आयोडीन सोल्यूशन to test the starch, it will not give you quick result, or it will not give you the result, and you will not analyze it that it will turns blue or black. So that means that the starch is present. So here is the simplest way, that you use iodine, and by using iodine and by adding the drops of iodine onto the starch or on the potato or on any food sample you are using, wheat, barley or any other food sample you are using to test for the starch, so it will only give the result when you're going to add the iodine solution. So hopefully you will understand, and you have now you get the knowledge that what is a catalyst. So catalyst is any chemical substance that is basically speed up the rate of reaction, and that speed up the reaction, chemical reaction, but without being used up. It's iodine is not present over here, or iodine is not going to be dissolved in the potato. It's basically, it's just tell you, it just give you the result that it gives blue or black color, so that means that the starch is present. So starch is not going to be combined with the iodine, and it will perform the process of it will tell you that the amount of starch will be greater or higher when you add this iodine. So it will just, iodine will is work as a catalyst. Hopefully this concept is clear, and if this concept is clear, now you can understand that what are the enzymes. Now if we are going to talk about the living organism in which we can count plants, we can count animals, and we can count humans. In living organism there are the different reactions are going on. हमारी बॉडी के अंदर भी different reactions हो रहे होते हैं, जिसको मेटाबॉलिज्म कहते हैं बेसिकली. अब इन रिएक्शंस को भी स्पीड अप करने के लिए देयर इज अ नीड ऑफ समथिंग दैट स्पीड अप द रिएक्शन. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ यू ईट कार्बोहाइड्रेट, और इफ यू इनटेक प्रोटीन, or if you intake fats or any other vitamin or minerals, there is some specific thing in your body that is going to speedily digest that's going to help you to digest that particular food. So for the digestion of that particular food, some enzymes are present. There are the many enzymes are present in your body that is working, and that going to speed up the reaction. So we can define enzyme as the enzymes are the biological catalyst, or enzymes are the protein which speed up the rate of chemical reaction. So if you got a question in the Cambridge exam, then what are the enzymes? So we can say that the enzymes are biocatalysts, or we can have to say, and specifically we have to, if we are saying enzymes are the biocatalysts, that's a correct definition, but particularly you have to tell them their nature as well, that enzymes are protein in nature. All enzymes are protein, but all proteins are not enzyme. Some enzymes are also contain the non-protein parts. So for example, all the enzymes are protein except there is an enzyme which is called as the ribozyme, which is not working as an enzyme. So all the enzymes are protein which speed up the rate of chemical reaction without being used up. For example, if I said that enzymes are the particular, they are specific in nature, they are specific in shape, it means that they will attach to the specific substrate will attach to that specific enzyme and perform that reaction. For example, for the digestion of protein, there is a particular enzyme that is called as protease. For the digestion of lipids, there is a particular enzyme that is called as lipase. For the digestion of maltose, there is a particular enzyme that is called as maltase. As you already know that the maltose is a disaccharide, sucrose is a disaccharide sugar. So these sugars needed something to digest. So maltose with the help of maltase enzyme will convert and become a monosaccharide. It will break down and convert into the glucose plus glucose. So sucrose is a disaccharide also. It will only convert into the monosaccharide when in the presence of sucrase. So we're going to say that the sucrose is only digestible when there is an enzyme present, and the sucrase enzyme is present in your body. So in simple words, एंजाइम तमाम के तमाम एंजाइम्स प्रोटीन होते हैं, और ये स्पेसिफिक एंजाइम जो है वो स्पेसिफिक वर्क करता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर प्रोटीन आपने इंटेक की है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट इंटेक किए हैं, लिपिड्स इंटेक किए हैं, या कोई भी चीज आपने इंटेक की है, डाइसैकेराइड है, पॉलीसैकेराइड की फॉर्म में है, तो उसको इंटेक करने के बाद उसकी डाइजेशन करने के लिए स्पेसिफिक एंजाइम ही वर्क करेगा. प्रोटीन इज नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क, प्रोटीज एंजाइम इज नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क ऑन द कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, एंड द carbohydrogenase enzyme is not going to work on the protein, or sucrase enzyme is not going to work on the maltose, or maltase enzyme is not going to work on the sucrose. So hopefully this phenomena is clear as well, कि all the enzymes are protein and they speed up the rate of chemical reaction without being used up. वो खुद यूज नहीं होंगे, वो आपको रिएक्शन को स्पीड अप करवाएंगे, और रिएक्शन स्पीड अप करवाने के बाद जो है वो खुद जो है वो किसी दूसरे रिएक्शन के अंदर इन्वॉल्व हो जाएंगे जाकर. फिर दूसरे रिएक्शन में भी वो रिएक्शन को स्पीड अप करेंगे और खुद यूज नहीं होंगे, बल्कि उस रिएक्शन को प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म में जो भी ऑब्टेन करना है, दैट गोना बी डाइजेस्ट करना है, दे गोना परफॉर्म दैट रिएक्शन एंड दे गोना वर्क विद अनदर रिएक्शन. So here is another example in your book that we said that the glucose is a monomer, or it will combine to another glucose molecule. It will combine to another glucose molecule to convert into in the form of starch, or make cellulose or make starch. So this binding requires some sort of enzyme. So enzyme will bind with another glucose molecule, or 1,4-glycosidic bond work as an enzyme. So this will bind with this, and it will, when it bind or when it act on it, it will bind with another glucose molecule, it will bind it with another glucose molecule, it will combine with another glucose molecule. So at the end it will form a long chain, and that long chain of glucose molecule is called as the cellulose. But here the enzyme is not going to be used. They are now going to be separated again, and they are going to be working in another direction. So both of these two bullet points are cleared hopefully. And now we have to study about explain enzyme action with reference to the substrate. We need to understand that what is a substrate, what is an active site, and what is enzyme substrate complex. Always remember, substrate is that molecule on which enzyme act. The molecule at which enzyme act is called as substrate. Substrate वो molecule है जिसने enzyme के ऊपर जाके attach होना है, और enzyme के ऊपर attach होने के बाद उसने वो enzyme substrate complex कहलाएगा, और उसके रिजल्ट में फिर प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म होगा. और एक्टिव साइट वो साइट होती है जहां पर एंजाइम ने अटैच होना होता है. द लोकेशन एट विच सबस्ट्रेट बाइंड विद एन एंजाइम, that is called as, or the area at which enzyme substrate bind with an enzyme is called as the active site. वो साइट जहां पर substrate जो चीज बन रही है, जो चीज रिएक्शन कंबाइन होकर रिएक्शन जो एक न्यू प्रोडक्ट बनाना चाह रही है किसी चीज का कंबाइन होकर, लेट्स सपोज दिस इज एन एंजाइम एंड दिस इज अ सबस्ट्रेट, एंड this substrate needs to be set in this space, इस area पे, इस space पे substrate ने set होना है. So this site is called as the active site. This is the substrate, or this is the reactant that we are going to be do some sort of reaction, and it will combine with this enzyme on active side, and it will form. Now once this substrate will be bind with this, it will called as enzyme substrate complex. Let me show you through a diagram. Now let's suppose this is bind. Now the substrate is bind with an enzyme on an active side, and this is called as the enzyme substrate complex. And when this bind, this enzyme will be separated and this substrate will convert it into the product form. ये substrate अब क्या बन जाएगा, ये substrate ने जो product बनना होगा वो new product बना के दे देगा. और again ये enzyme जो है, this gonna be separated and again it will come to its own position, its first position. और दोबारा से कोई और substrate आके attach होगा और enzyme substrate complex बनेगा, और enzyme substrate complex बनने के result में फिर product form होगा. Let me show you through a diagram of this as well. So this point will hopefully prove that the enzymes are specific in nature. Like for example, if I say that enzymes are specific in nature, that without, as we have already learned that without enzymes the reaction will take place thousand years or million years to complete the process, or weeks to complete it process, depending upon, for example, if there is no digestive enzyme present in your body, then the protein as our protease enzyme is not working, our carbohydrogenase enzyme or carbohydrase enzyme is not working, our lipase enzyme is not working, then it will take 1000 years, or it will take weeks to complete the process or to complete the reaction. ठीक है, तो फिर सालों लग सकते हैं उस रिएक्शन को कंप्लीट होने में. तो एंजाइम्स, अब मैंने दूसरा पॉइंट ये कहा कि एंजाइम स्पेसिफिक होते हैं नेचर के लिहाज से, मतलब स्पेसिफिक सबस्ट्रेट ही उसके ऊपर आकर अटैच हो सकता है. अगर एंजाइम कंप्लीमेंट्री टू इट्स शेप्स, अगर उस सबस्ट्रेट उस एंजाइम की शेप के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं है, तो दैट सबस्ट्रेट विल नॉट बाइंड विद दैट एंजाइम. If the enzyme is having some sort of different shape and substrate is having some sort of different shape, it will not bind with this substrate, it will not bind with this enzyme, and it will not produce or form and convert into enzyme substrate complex. It will only bind to specific enzyme that having the specific shape. The shape of substrate and enzyme should be same. So when a substrate is going to be bind with an enzyme, when it is going to be specific shape of an substrate bind with a specific shape of an enzyme, this will form enzyme substrate complex. And the location or the area where it binds, ये जो area होता है, this area is basically, let me point out for you, let me mark, ये जो area है enzyme का, this site is basically called as the active site. The location at which the substrate is going to be attached on the enzyme, जिस position पे, जिस site पर आके substrate ने attach होना है, enzyme के साथ bind होना है, that site is called as the active site. So the substrate bind with an enzyme on active site and forms enzyme substrate complex, and when enzyme substrate complex will formed or produced, they will start the reaction, the enzyme will catalyze the reaction start हो जाएगा होना, and once it catalyzes the reaction, the enzyme will be separated and the products will be formed, and the two products will be used for further process, and this enzyme will further go to the position number 1, and it will bind to another substrate and it will form another enzyme substrate complex, then it will catalyzes the reaction and the products will be formed, and that product will be used for further process. Whatever you are used for, whatever these products should be used for, and this enzyme will be again going to be do some sort of another function, or will help another function to catalyze. Now the thing is, as enzyme substrate complex they're the two models that were proposed to do that. If all these points are cleared, so that means this point should be cleared. That what is lock and key model? A lock and key model is basically that specific lock has a specific key. Like enzyme specific shape के enzyme के साथ ही specific substrate आकर attach होगा, तो उस रिजल्ट में ही एंजाइम रिएक्शन को कैटालाइज करेगा, अदरवाइज रिएक्शन विल नॉट कैटालाइज. सो वी कैन से दैट द स्पेसिफिक एंजाइम विल हैव द स्पेसिफिक सबस्ट्रेट and the specific substrate will bind to that enzyme and perform the reaction. So that proves the lock and key model. There is another model which is called as the induced fit model. उसके अकॉर्डिंग ये था, that was not on your syllabus, but उसके अकॉर्डिंग ये था कि स्पेसिफिक लॉक होना जरूरी नहीं है, स्पेसिफिक की होना जरूरी नहीं है. स्पेसिफिक एंजाइम के लिए एनी सबस्ट्रेट कैन बाइंड, एंजाइम जो है वो अपनी शेप को मोल्ड कर लेता है सबस्ट्रेट की शेप के अकॉर्डिंग, और जो है दैट कैन बी परफॉर्म द रिएक्शन, कैटालाइज द रिएक्शन एंड प्रोड्यूस द प्रोडक्ट. बट लॉक एंड की मॉडल के अकॉर्डिंग ये था कि इट इज अ रिजिड वन, इट कैन नॉट चेंजेस इट्स शेप. if the specific enzyme will specific substrate will bind to the specific enzyme, अगर वो उसकी शेप की कंप्लीमेंट्री होना चाहिए, जैसे एंजाइम की शेप है वैसी ही सबस्ट्रेट की शेप अगर होगी तो वो एंजाइम के साथ बाइंड करेगा, अदरवाइज एंजाइम जो है वो सबस्ट्रेट के साथ बाइंडिंग नहीं करेगा और ना ही रिएक्शन को कैटालाइज करेगा. सो यहाँ आप देखें एंजाइम जो है, हम अभी तक ये पढ़ते आ रहे हैं एंजाइम्स आर स्पेसिफिक इन नेचर, एंजाइम्स आर स्पेसिफिक इन नेचर, स्पेसिफिक एंजाइम विल बाइंड टू द that the specific substrate will bind with an enzyme and enzymes are specific. Because why is that so? The major reason is because of the shape of the active site. On an enzyme there is an area that is called as an active site, जहां पर substrate ने attach होना है. इस active site की base की वजह से या shape की वजह से ही हम कहते हैं कि enzyme specific nature के होते हैं. Here you in the first figure you can see that the enzyme, these are the substrate and this is an enzyme, this gray area, and this line is basically shows the active site. If the substrate and the active site is of same shape, then it will bind with this enzyme, and if it is of different shape, this substrate is of different shape and the active site will be of different shape, then this will not bind with the enzyme because of the active site. Because if the active site is having the same shape as the substrate, so the substrate will attach to this active site and catalyzes the reaction and produce the new product. So the most important point is that the shape of the substrate is complementary to the shape of the active site. Here is the proof that what is the substrate in this process? The substrate is the key and the enzyme is the lock. So the specific lock has the specific key to bind with an active site to perform the reaction, and that basically form the lock and key complex and it will produce the reaction. So let me just revise all of this, that what we have learned in this video. We have learned that the catalyst क्या होता है. If we are going to ask about in the chemistry paper, they ask you what is a catalyst. So catalyst is a chemical substance. It is not a biocatalyst. It is only a chemical substance which speed up the rate of chemical reaction and without being used up. ये कैसा सब्सटेंस होता है जो किसी भी रिएक्शन के अंदर अगर आप इसको ऐड करें, उसको रिएक्शन को स्पीड अप करवाने के लिए, तो उस रिएक्शन को वो फौरन से परफॉर्म कर देगा, लेकिन वो खुद उसके अंदर यूज नहीं होगा, खुद प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म में आप उसको रिएक्शन को नहीं देखेंगे. आप कोई भी लेट सपोज आपने NaCl का रिएक्शन करवाना है या कोई भी रिएक्शन करवा रहे हैं, कोई A+B जो कोई भी आप प्रोडक्ट रिएक्टेंट ले रहे हैं उनका आपस में आप रिएक्शन करवा रहे हैं, तो उसके रिएक्शन को फौरन से करवाने के लिए आप कोई भी अगर इंडिकेटर डाल रहे हैं या कुछ भी ऐड कर रहे हैं, तो दैट इज वर्किंग एज अ कैटलिस्ट. फॉर एग्जांपल इन केस आप फोटोसिंथेसिस की एग्जांपल मैंने आपको दी, तो वाटर जो सनलाइट और क्लोरोफिल है दैट इज वर्किंग एज अ कैटलिस्ट. विदाउट द सनलाइट और विदाउट द यूज ऑफ क्लोरोफिल दे कैन नॉट परफॉर्म द process of photosynthesis, they will not make the glucose. So same is the case with the enzymes. लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म की अंदर बात करें तो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म की बॉडी के अंदर डिफरेंट केमिकल रिएक्शंस परफॉर्म होते रहते हैं, हर वक्त होते रहते हैं, इसलिए हमारी बॉडी हर वक्त स्मूथली रन कर रही होती है. अगर कोई भी रिएक्शन ना परफॉर्म हो रहा हो बिकॉज ऑफ द एंजाइम एक्टिविटी, तो उसके रिजल्ट में कोई प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है, आपकी तबीयत खराब हो सकती है. सो दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ सो द थिंग इज दैट द एंजाइम्स आर बायोकैटलिस्ट और एंजाइम्स आर द प्रोटीन्स. तमाम एंजाइम्स होते हैं बेसिकली प्रोटीन्स होती हैं. All enzymes are protein, but all proteins are not enzymes. Always remember that. So enzymes are biological catalysts. Biological, bio mean living, and logical reasoning or thought, and catalyst is a substance. So biocatalyst mean ऐसा substance जो living organism की body के अंदर reaction perform करने में help करे. So enzymes are the biocatalyst which speed up the rate of chemical reaction. Metabolic reaction are those reactions which are occurring all time in our body, which is related to with the reference of the word metabolism. And enzyme action जो है वो substrate को एक उनके enzyme action perform करने के लिए there is a substrate, there is an active site, there is an enzyme substrate complex, and there is a product. So substrate is that molecule on which enzyme act. Enzyme ने जिसके ऊपर काम करना है या substrate ने जिस molecule ने attach होना है enzyme के साथ, that molecule is called as the substrate. The molecule at which enzyme act is called as the substrate. Active site is the site where the substrate will bind to the enzyme, and this is complementary to the shape of the substrate. इसकी substrate shape should be complementary, will be complementary to the shape of the active side, कि इन दोनों की शेप जो है वो complementary होती है. अगर एक्टिव साइड की शेप डिफरेंट है और सबस्ट्रेट की शेप डिफरेंट है, that it will not bind with the enzyme. Once the shape is the same, that it will bind with an enzyme. So substrate will bind with an enzyme. The reactant will basically bind with an enzyme and they form enzyme substrate complex. And when the enzyme substrate complex is formed, they will produce a reaction or they will catalyze the reaction, and once they catalyze the reaction, the enzyme will be separated and product will be formed, and that product will be used for further processes. And the specificity of enzyme means all the enzymes are specific in nature, they are specific in shape. Only specific enzyme can work on the specific process. For example, for the digestion of protein, only protease enzyme will work. For the digestion of carbohydrates, carbohydrogenase enzyme will work, or carbohydrase enzyme will work. For the digestion of lipids, lipase enzyme will work. So here the proof lock and key model is the example of that, according to the specific lock has the specific key, and here the key is the substrate and lock is basically the enzyme. So specific lock has the specific key, no other key will fit into that lock. This was all about it. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in another video. Allah Hafiz.